then we gotta figure a way how to get to the Bermuda Triangle, and once we've done that, we're gonna play the Bermuda Triangle, and once we've done that, we can do our score. Look at Santa! Santa down there, giving it his all. Oh, what? We gotta jump on this thing? Oh, fun. Okay. Oh, okay. That worked. Ah, okay, yeah, we're not allowed to touch him, huh? Hence. This is going to activate anyway, so... Bing. But there's a bit of HP. That's gonna give us a bit of time. Let's get it. Nice. What? 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 Interesting. What? No, 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 no! No, don't soft lock me. Thank you. What's happening? Okay, 7,700 is the best we can do for Iceland.